Welcome to Happy Fun Time! Hi, and welcome to Happy Fun Time for Kids. Today, we are going to have our first ever toy giveaway. Yay! So, this is an international toy giveaway open for all kids out there. So what you will get is one Hairdooz, one Fuzzy Pets, and one Moj Moj. So first, you need to subscribe to our channel. You need to click the notification bell. And the second is you need to share and like this video. And also you need to use the hashtag Happy Fun Time Toy Giveaway. So, and the third one. So you need to answer our question in the comment down below. So what is the question? So here it is. The question is, why do you like toy surprises? So again, you need to leave the comment in our comment section in this video. So this starts today and will end on August 5th of 2019. So we will announce our winner on our next video after the 5th of August. Alright, so let's get started with the Moj Moj. Okay. Oops. There. You have the original mini Moj Moj. We have one toy bag, and then we got a flyer. Oh, and what is this? I think it's a sticker. So cute. Look, there's a unicorn, there's a tiger, and this one is like a cloud with some cute stuff there. Okay, what is this for? Not so sure. Okay, so let's open the flyer. So it's so soft, so smooth, so much. And then we got this Squeeze Me. So series, what is the series? Doesn't have. Okay, so these are the Moj Moj that you can get out of this series. So let's open. So let's open this toy bag. Oops, it's brown. Ooh, it's really soft, and there's something inside. There's like a ball inside. Yippee! Look, oh yeah, look at that. Wow, there is a honeybee. So let's try. So this is a panda. So it's a little cuddles. It's a little cuddlers. So we have this one. So let's try it again. Okay. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. It's so squishy. So cute. Oh, so that's why we have this. So you can use this as a keychain. You can add this into your collection. You can put this in your bag, pencil cases, coin purse, whatever areas or whatever accessories you might think of that you can put this on. There. So when you're stressed and you want to squeeze something, so you just use this one. So cute. Pew, 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 pew. All right. Very good. So that's down. Okay, and now we're going to open this Hairdooz. So we have here, find the rare color change here. Spin to reveal, frothy sand, and then let's have 24 Hairdooz to collect. So what are the contents? One hairdo, one bottle capsule, one styling chair, one suction cup, one hairdresser's cape, one collector's guide. Okay, so you can follow them at hairdooz.net. So okay, now let's open it. Yippee! Wow, it really looks like a shampoo thing from the salon. Ooh, okay, it says you need to turn, right? So here is the guide. So maybe we should take it off. It's really a lot. So again, step 1, spin to reveal. Step 2, remove hair cover. Step 3, remove the cape. And then step 4, take your Hairdooz and suction cup stand out. Switch between suction cup, hard stand. Okay, suction cup, hard base. Switch your hair. Okay, it's time to reveal. Ta-da! Wow. Okay. Oops, it fell off. So what is this? So there, so we have the suction cup. Put it here, let's place it there. And then this one. It smells so sweet. It smells like strawberry. So it says, let's remove this cape. Wow, there's the chair. Okay, and then we take off that particular. Oops. There. Okay, so here is, okay. Oops. Sorry. So, okay, so there's the suction cup. Okay, we put the suction cup here. Oh, yes. And then you let it stand like that, and voila! You have it there. So let's check what we got. So let's check who we got based from our brochure or the flyer. This is the guide. What am I talking about? Oh, is this the one that we got? It's Lily. It looks like Lily. Yeah, Brady Do. Okay, hi Brady Do. I like your hair. So how do we know it color change? Oh yeah, there's a particular color change item, this one. So I hope that that particular winner will get a color change, so you can enjoy and dip it in water. Okay, so the next one would be the L.O.L. Fussy Pet series. It's a makeover series and it says wash me. So we really need to actually wash this one. Start to open. Ooh, there's a cute doll. Oops, there's a sticker. So this is a first clue. It's baby fur baby. Okay, fur baby, yeah, fur baby. Okay. Then the second layer. Ooh, wow. Only one way. All right. And then, okay, so we tear this here. This is the third layer. This is like a shampoo, like the Hairdooz. Oh look, here is what it looks inside. There's a paws, polka dots, and this one, yeah, there you go. I think you can use this as a trainer. Ooh, whoa. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. And this one. Oh. Okay guys, so we're going to open the pouches. We got this one, magnifying glass. So we have a total of 5 bags. So let's open the smallest and the most lightest. So this is a shovel. It has this heart. Oh, and there's a wings. Let's put it down. This one. This is. Oh, what is this for? Oh, I guess this is like the one with the hair goals. It's the string for this one. Oh yeah, you can actually use that one here. So let's put it aside. And this one, a small bag. Oh, come on, Tara. Ooh, it's a tumbler. It's pink, hot pink, and yellow. Oops. Ooh, let's open this one. What's this? It's a hat? Okay. I'm not so. Okay, we're down, and then we're the last one. This is the pet, I guess. Oh, look how adorable you are. Are you a bird? Is this a bird? Is it a bird? Like a question mark. Maybe we got this one. Right? I'm not so sure. Let's try later. So first, let's open this one. What we have as the accessories of our pet. Oh no, there's actually a fair thing here at the back. So you will not use a scissors. That's too late, but that's okay. I can still open it with that. Okay. So we have this one. There you go. So maybe we will use this or just use our hands. Oh, it's like a kinetic sand. A pink kinetic sand. So let's check out where are those accessories. Okay. I haven't seen it. I haven't touched it yet. Do we have it here? I think we don't have it here. What's this? Oh yeah, there is one. There is one. It's like a headband. It's a headband. Okay. It's a headband. There. So you need the trick here is you need to soak it and then start rubbing it so it will be easy. So you see when we soak it a little bit, all the fur gone out of itself. So we're almost done. have a few. It's like it's a bird. It's a cute bird. It's back in the 1970s look. Oh yeah. That we got all of it out. It looks like that we have it out. There. So grab a towel, dry off. Let's dry it. Oh, cute. Oh, did I scratch it like that? Oh no. Oh yeah, it's just the fur. I was afraid. I thought I scratched it with my nails. Okay. Oh, you're so cute and adorable, birdie. Have this blonde hair. Let's dry you off. Oh, I think it's a crying pet. So there's a hole. So when we put some water in, it's gonna cry. Like that. I like it. So again, this is one we got. It's Go Birdie. Go Birdie. Hi. It's Go Birdie that we got. Hairdooz, one Hairdooz, one L.O.L. Fuzzy Pets, Moj. And please do subscribe and follow the step guide so you can join our first ever toy giveaway. It's open for international kids out there who likes to have this toys. So again, thank you for watching and have a great day, and always stay happy with happy fun time.